बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 24 मार्च 2024 के अखबार में। तो पहली जॉब है NLC करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। नेशनल लॉजिस्टिक्स कॉरपोरेशन NLC इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम कॉम्पिटेंट एंड हाईली मोटिवेटेड प्रोफेशनल्स टू ज्वाइन अगेंस्ट द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस। सर पोजीशन सीरियल नंबर 1, पोजीशन नेम एंड लोकेशन सीनियर मैनेजर कॉरपोरेट सेल्स कराची एंड लाहौर। और सीरियल नंबर 2 है मैनेजर बल्क सेल्स कराची। सीरियल नंबर 3 मैनेजर हेड मैकेनिकल ट्रांसपोर्ट कराची 4 असिस्टेंट मैनेजर कॉरपोरेट सेल्स लाहौर। सीनियर HR ऑफिसर OD रावलपिंडी। वायरमैन लाहौर, फिटर मिस्ट्री लाहौर, 8 डीजल फिटर लाहौर, 9 एयर फिटर लाहौर। नोट NLC offers attractive package and fringe benefits as per qualification and experience of the individuals. Only shortlisted individuals will be called for test/interview for which not EA/DA will be admissible. Detailed procedure regarding submission of applications, job specifications and other terms and conditions of employment are available on our website i.e.https://nlc.com.pk. NLC reserves the right to withdraw/amend the acquiring process at any stage without assigning any reason. Age limit up to 55 years. Employment is on contract basis ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ एक्सटेंडेबल। लास्ट डेट फॉर सबमिशन ऑफ एप्लीकेशन 7 अप्रैल 2024। प्रोसीजर कैंडिडेट्स अप्लाइंग फॉर द पोजीशंस शुड अप्लाई थ्रू आवर ऑनलाइन पोर्टल https://nlc.com.pk/careers। अच्छा जी, एक और जॉब है। ये वाली जॉब आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 24 मार्च 2024 के अखबार में। द बैंक ऑफ पंजाब की जॉब है। द बैंक ऑफ पंजाब इज़ वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग बैंक्स इन पाकिस्तान with its profound existence of over 33 years. It operates through a network of 800 plus real-time online branches and ATMs across the country. यह आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। The Bank of Punjab is an equal opportunity employer. In line with the bank's progression strategy, we invite applications from experienced, dedicated and performance-driven professionals for the following positions in our Islamic Banking Division CBG. The following job profile offers excellent opportunity for the right candidates desirous of building a long-term career in a dynamic organization. Position regional business head Islamic Banking, grade SP, SVP-1/EVP-1, location multiple cities. Job summary/major responsibilities. The incumbent will be responsible to achieve liability and cross-sell targets and effective management of all the units under command while ensuring full compliance/Sharia compliant with operational risk management policies and procedures and extending full support to the staff by adopting problem-solving approach for achievement of regional goals. The job requires the achievement of CSA and total deposit targets PE and average, along with other revenue and cross-functional targets set for the region on monthly basis by developing and implementing strategies in letter and spirit down the line for which branch and individual sales staff of the region. The incumbent will be responsible to enhance/optimize the productivity of reporting staff at all levels and enforcement of compliance culture in branches with operational risk management policies and procedures and bringing quality to customer service by continually improving existing processes to collaborate with business units, areas and regions in strengthening prospective customer identification and sales opportunities that enhance deposit mobilization and customer management. Enhancement of the bank's image by maintaining a customer friendly and vibrant environment within region. Eligibility criteria: qualification minimum bachelor's degree from HSC recognized university/foreign university. Age up to 55 years as of April 7, 2024. Experience minimum 9 years of banking experience. Preference shall be given to candidates having more than 3 years of banking experience at similar role. Compensation and benefits: permanent position, market competitive salary package, fixed festival bonuses, annual rise, health insurance / medical facility, performance based RBH, monthly allowance, grade promotions, performance bonuses on annual basis, provident and gratuity fund, staff loans facilities on subsidized rates. Important notes: A. Only shortlisted candidates shall be called for interview. No TA/TA will be admissible. The Bank of Punjab reserves the right to accept or reject any applications without assigning any reasons thereof. The bank is an equal opportunity employer. Females, minorities and PWDs and transgender are encouraged to apply. The above positions carry market-based competitive remuneration. Individuals fulfilling the above mentioned criteria are encouraged to apply online through BOP career portal https://www.rosie.bank/of-punjab-bop. Latest by April 7, 2024. BOP phone banking 111267 200 बैंक ऑफ पंजाब BOP www.bop.com.pk। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।